Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you I have another problem that I'm trying to fix. I have this lawnmower here. I have a troll belt here, 550 EX. It's a 140cc. So I'm gonna show you what it's doing, and I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem. Okay, I'm about to start it right now. Okay, see how it's smoking? It'll stop in the start, so go ahead and start cutting the grass. See how it cut the grass? You all over the place. See how it's not smoking right now. After a while, when you start cutting the grass, start cutting the grass, that's what it does. Okay, turn it off. Okay, that's what it does right there. It starts smoking like that. So I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. The problem started from here. See how the smoke coming from this section right here? That had to be a small carburetor. I don't know too much about lawnmowers, but I guarantee you I can fix it. So stay tuned and watch. Okay, y'all, let's see why it's smoked like that. You want to check this filter first. It's pretty dirty, y'all. Look, it look all clogged up. It's really dirty. So I bought a new one here. This new one here. See, can I put this one on? Sure that's the right way. Yeah, this both ways fit perfectly. And we check the filter, and then we're gonna check the oil. We're gonna wipe it and then check it again, check it and see if it's the oil. It's not, it's okay. So the oil is fine. Check the gas level. The gas is fine here. So now we're going to check it and see if it starts now without smoking. The problem just by changing the filter, and the oil level was still good. It probably needs to be changed out a little bit, but just change the filter. Just something simple like that can save you money for buying another lawnmower. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.